Hello, this is Mark Rollins here from the Geek Church, and we're going to be doing a different type of review. This one's coming from home, and as you can see, I'm kind of by a desk with a monitor. Not really much to see here. We might do more reviews like this in the future, but today I'm going to review a microphone from the Tonor, T-O-N-O-R, and basically I'm checking this out with my ordinary microphone so we can see the differences. So we're going to do like a quick unboxing review of this, and it'll be with this microphone. So stay tuned. Okay, this is the Tonor microphone kit. This is the Q9, and comes in a box like this. Not sure if it all comes or this is just the type of ship packaging they sent me. Gonna open her up. You can see we got a lot of great stuff in here. Let's see, so looks like we got some sort of instruction booklet. I'm going to use that to connect to my laptop later, but for now, what's in here? I've got this thing, which hopefully I can figure out what that is later, as well as, okay, I have no idea what this thing is, honestly. I know this has a proper name, and I know a lot of audiophiles are going like, hey, come on, this is something, you should know what this is. I don't. I'll just hook it up and we'll see if we'll check it from there. Okay. This looks like some sort of clippy. Oh, I know what we're going to do with the clippy. We're going to clip it to the side of the desky. And we're going to be able to put the microphone there. And I believe this is the microphone stand that we'll do it with. So, oh yeah, it's got one of these things. We're going to feel like a DJ with one of these. And not like a DJ with like two turntables and a microphone, but like a radio DJ. So let's see. And what's this? Oh, the cushiony thingy at the end of the thing. I hope I didn't damage it by putting it in there wrong. Ooh. Ooh. That's little. Okay, that's not how it came. I probably put that back wrong. Sorry. And then there's this thing. There's the actual microphone itself. Let's see, where's the, gotta be a cable, right? Ah. All right, here's the cable that it comes with. Okay, so we're gonna connect this all together and we're gonna see how it sounds. And the next time you see me, I'll be using my webcam footage, which may have greater or lesser quality of video. Hey everybody, this is Mark Rollins here from the Geek Church, and we've got the Tonor Q9 microphone all set up. Yes, as you can see, I've got it right here. I don't know how well the sound is sounding. I'll have to check it. But I got one of these things in front of my face. I'm going to do a little adjustment. As you can see, I got the mic with this little covering here. And it's got this little thing here. And whatever the heck this thing is, I believe it's supposed to be in front of my mouth. So I'm putting it there. I don't even know if it's supposed to go there. But I'm feeling like a DJ. You know, like one on the radio. Anyway, so we got the microphone stand here, sets up and clips to the desk here, and it's all in all pretty good. I think I'm going to keep this around when I do video reviews like this, and you'll be seeing a lot more of these in the future. So that's the Tonor Q9 microphone setup, USB microphone, and you can read the article about it if you want more information. Okay, as you can see, we've kind of switched over to a different camera. We're going to use a GoPro to look this over, and we're going to use the Q9 microphone to do our little unboxing. That gives us both hands free. So I'm going to open her up here as good as I can with all this tape and stuff, because, yeah, it's kind of in the way. And, yeah, it's going to make for some interesting things. Okay, so, okay. Sum it up, as we can see in the front, we've got the instruction manual and a little bit of this stuff. It comes like right out of the box like this, which I like. As you can see, it's rip, raring to go. All you got to do is take out its tripod and it's ready to stand up. Now it's got this thing involved in it. Someone might want to tell me what this is in the comment section, politely, and that would be good. So we got that. Okay, as you can see, we got the TC777 right in front of us, working, plugging our computer. It looks like this. And I put the GoPro video of it standing up on the table. Sorry that didn't turn out very well. We're trying new things here. We're going to figure out how to do all this stuff later on. But really, the point of this was to make sound and make that sound work. And I believe this sound is going to work out for you if you're a video content creator. Maybe you can use the camera a bit better than I can. But as you can see, we got some good sound here. So that's all for the Tonor products, and we'll see you next time on The Geek Church.